Beautify your wedding reception without sacrificing your budget using Dollar Tree's phenomenal selection of floral and craft supplies. Their wide array of colorful faux flowers makes it easy to create gorgeous floral arrangements and centerpieces that match your wedding colors. Be sure to cover those flower stems. You want your flowers to look as real as possible. You can do this with customized vases. Using paint, glitter, or other sparkly craft supplies, you can easily make personalized and sophisticated vases to create an elegant look without spending a fortune. Don't want to toss away that expensive bouquet? Create a look-alike for your bouquet toss so you can save the real one. Here's a quick tip. Use a paper towel roll for the handle. Create the perfect wedding for less while saving up for the perfect honeymoon with Dollar Tree.